are here on eve of 73rd Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, which is held in our vibrant city of Hyderabad. This city not only embraces information technology vertical, we would be embracing in that the city would host the pharma sector, that AI city will be hosting many verticals of our state, maybe in terms of governance, maybe in terms of agri, maybe in terms of healthcare, maybe in terms of any vertical we choose. We already identified about 16 verticals which shall be having their R&Ds, which shall be having their offices, which shall be having their product companies, which shall be having their simulators. All these things we are trying to put into the mold and create a artificial intelligence city.
ఇండియా ఫార్మసిటికల్ కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ మీటింగ్ పెడుతున్నాం అంటే మేము ఈ స్థాయిలో ఇంతమంది ఇంత టాప్ ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్ట్ వస్తారని అనుకోలేదు. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కంగ్రాచులేట్ పార్థసారథి రెడ్డి గారు అండ్ హిస్ ఎంటైర్ టీమ్.
It is with great pleasure and a sense of responsibility Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, where we convene under the theme Role of Indian Pharma for Global Well-being. I am very happy to share this platform